All right, guys, we've got the NUANCHU 72-piece callus cushions for the bottom of your feet. Here is a pack right here. We've got 6 of them on this pack. Comes in a nice box, and basically you have 72 total. So I think these come in really useful. Basically, all you do is just peel it off the back, and I'm going to use my hand as an example. And all you do is, if I have a callus right there, you just basically put it over that, and it pads it, and it's a nice kind of like felt, so it's gonna roll with your socks or anything like that. But it's definitely gonna give you a little bit of cushion that's gonna protect that callus or that bunion or whatever it is that's bothering you while it heals. So I think it's super useful. 72 of these. I mean, you could keep these in your first aid kit, or just keep them all around the house, maybe in your purse, in your car, wherever, in your gym bag. I think these are super useful. The fact that you get 72 is a great deal, and I think you should get them.